Yeah, hi Angelo, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. I've checked it for you. Laser's working perfect. Basically what it is this top part here. See that there? What's basically happened, okay, I'll just turn this off. Right, so basically what's happened is this part here has been pushed down, okay? So I've pulled it up. I've put some super glue in there. There's a little bit of super glue in there, so it's spinning freely now, whereas it's been pushed, and it's it wasn't, it was catching on the bottom of the metal, and you got to have about a 2mm gap, just literally, well, a millimetre gap, millimetre and a half gap, for it to spin freely. But it's all working now. It's quite an easy repair. All I ask for you is, can you send the postage money, and I'll get this right back out to you. Thanks again, and have a great day.